Be honest, have you ever thought seriously about what your audience sees when they Google your brand name? It's called a brand SERP, and it's the most important KPI you've probably never looked at seriously. Now, why should you care? The search engine results page for your brand is your new business card. After a person sees or hears your brand name, perhaps after you make a pitch by email or on a call or in person, or perhaps they saw your brand name in an article, an ad, or on a webinar, or even on social media. However they hear about you, if they like what they heard, they'll Google your brand name to find out more about you at some point. Now, what do they see? Do you control what they see, or are you leaving it to chance? If you want to convert that prospect, what they see needs to be 100% positive, accurate, and convincing, and it's up to you to make it that way. Sign up for my course and I'll show you exactly how you can control your Google business card and make sure that when a prospect Googles your brand name, they see what you want them to see. 100% positive, 100% accurate, and very, very convincing. And with this unique course, you don't need technical or SEO skills. If you know your business and understand your audience, you can take control of your brand SERP and make it a no-brainer stepping stone towards conversion for those prospects you worked so hard to attract in the first place. So get started with the free introductory lesson today.